gonna need a foam mannequin head. This is beginner friendly, so you can get this from your local beauty supply store with like maybe $5.99. You're gonna need the T-pins. This is to stick your dome cap to your foam head and stick your closure to your foam head to make it easier while sewing. You're gonna need some thread with multiple needles, of course. That's to make everything go by faster. And you're gonna need, this is optional as well, a mannequin stand. This right here, I got it from my local beauty supplies for $5.99. It might not be the same in your area, but this is definitely needed. This is needed because it makes the process go way easier. Instead of holding it between your legs, you can just set it down on the table and sew on the table. So what you need to do now is put your dome cap on your foam head. The first thing you need to do is grab your closure and your T-pins and stick them onto your mannequin head. Stick the pins in the front of the dome cap, not on the dome cap. That way it can stick straight to the mannequin head. And then you need to stick a pin in the back of the closure to hold it down so you can sew tight on the line, so everything can be tight at the end. What you will do is repeat the same step to the other side. This part right here is very important. You need to make sure you start at the very beginning where lace closure and the dome cap meet so you can have a seamless install. Make sure you sew really tight and close together. That way there's no gaps in between your lace closure and your dome cap. As you can see, I'm sticking the needle through the dome cap and through the closure and looping it over the top and pulling really tight. Here's another view of it. When approaching a T-pin, remove the T-pin and keep sewing as you were before. A key thing to remember when sewing tracks onto a dome cap: always sew through the material, not through the elastic band. If you sew through the elastic band, you will not be able to stretch it over your head. So remember, sew through the material, not the elastic band. A key tip to remember: when sewing the first track, make sure you sew as low as possible and as tight as possible. That way your wig look more professional and more versatile. Always remember to knot the thread on your tracks. That way they will not slip out and your wig will last much longer. Now that we are at the halfway point, make sure when you get to the edge, you flip the track back, and right at the edge, you make a knot. That way it will be as seamless as possible with no bumps or lumps. installing your last track, make sure you install it close to the closure but not on top of the closure. That way there will not be a lump in the back. It will be flat and seamless. Our closure is officially done. Now what you need to do is cut the dome cap from underneath your lace closure. That way it'll lay flat to your skin and it'll look like it's growing out of your scalp. If you want to slay your closure, what you need to do is wet your part, define it, and let it dry. You can use a blow dryer to make the process quicker. That way you'll have a flat, seamless part. What I'm showing you here is I did not bleach my closure. I don't like bleaching the closure because it makes the hairs on the closure weak and you get more shedding. What I like to do is use face powder or concealer, put it on your part, wherever you would like to part it, and it'll look just like you bleached it even though you didn't. Here's the finished product. Now that you've made it to the end of the video, comment baby hair who. That way we all know who've made it to the end or not. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. That way you'll know exactly when I post a new video. Bye. Thanks for watching.